you going there? So today I'm visiting the Noojee Trestle Bridge. This is a place I've been to countless times. I remember back in the early 80s we used to come here with our family. The Trestle Bridge here at that time was pretty much rotting away, but since then, all these years later, a lot of work has been carried out on the Trestle Bridge. There's a picnic table over to the side there. You can walk up across the bridge, so I'm about to head up there now and have a look. If you are looking for it on a map or something, I'm about 1.5 kilometres out of the township of Noojee itself. So I'll just make my way up now and give everyone a look at the Trestle Bridge. But it's definitely awesome once you get up there. Alright, so the part of the Trestle Bridge here, it ran from Warrigal, which is down this way, across to Noojee. So during that time it ran from 1919 through to 1954. It took passengers, livestock and timber through the area. The railway line itself ceased to be used in 1961. Through that time there were 7 bridges through this area. This bridge here was known as number 7. This bridge here also sustained and others in the area sustained quite a bit of fire damage and stuff, so over that time they've had to be repaired as quick as they could just to keep the railway line open. So I know in a lot of my videos it's a lot about the 4 driving and the touring and stuff, but this place here you can just bring a standard car into it. Some of these spots that I do show you that are easy to get to, I'm just happy to go, you know, thought I'd share with everyone, just to come out with your family or your friends or just by yourself like I am today. Nice and easy to get to, and just for a day out in the bush. But I'm up on top of the bridge now. How good's that look down there? In addition just to the car park down there, over my shoulder here you can see there is a walkway. So the walkway is signposted here just behind me. It's 2 kilometres one way, so it's a 15 to 30 minute walk they suggest on a well-formed trail. So just if you're up here, make the most of it and go for a bit of a wander. The walk up to the bridge, it does make it into a circuit, so you just walk up from one side, come around, down another. But if you've got young kids with you, a couple of slippery stairs, wet rocks here, just be mindful of that. But so quiet today. There's not a breath of wind, nothing but kookaburras going off and a few birds carrying on just as I've been walking through. So if you're into railway history or just history in general, definitely come out and check out the Noojee Trestle Bridge. Thanks for watching, just a short little video today, just to highlight the Noojee Trestle Bridge and a few things in the area. So if you have liked your scene, hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Cheers.